Welcome back to MyTechNest. Today I will show you how to install Homebridge inside a container on Proxmox. Homebridge lets you add non-HomeKit devices to Apple Home, all running locally on your server. Okay, so now we are on our website where we can find a lot of script about smart home, media and streaming, adblock, DNS, and whatever you want. So let's click on Homebridge, and here we have our command to create our container on Proxmox. So let's copy it. Select our node, shell, paste, enter. We can go ahead with the default install. And now Proxmox will create the container for us. Okay, done. So now we can just copy this URL, open a new tab. Okay, now we can go with the configuration of Homebridge. So get started. We need to create a new account, a password, okay, so this is the main window. Here are our QR code, so we can add this hub on HomeKit. And from here we can install plugins, accessories, check the logs, and so on. For plugins, you just need to type something you want to search. For example, Govi. Maybe you have some striplet inside your home and you want to run some automation from HomeKit. So, for example, you can download it, the last version. Okay, so here we have to provide the credential you already use on your Govi account. Save and restart Homebridge to apply all the settings. Okay, as you can see here, Homebridge added my devices, so the striplet for the TV and the one for my desk. You can find here, I can control all the settings from the Homebridge console, and also if I add that to my iPhone, iPad or other Apple devices, you can control for them as well. Okay, so it's done for today. For sure you can add all the plugins you want. For example, if you can add your Philips device, Homebridge EU, Xiaomi devices. There are a lot of stuff that you can add on HomeKit through Homebridge. Okay, thanks for now, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.